Withdrawing money from your Amazon Prime account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the transaction. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over or tap on Account and list at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select your account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access your payments. In your account settings, find and click on Your Payments. This section allows you to manage your payment methods and view your balance. Step 4. Select the withdrawal option. Look for the option that allows you to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw Funds or Transfer to Bank. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Enter withdrawal details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Ishraq.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should successfully withdraw money from your Amazon Prime account to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for assistance.